They accused of being a 100-man leader. So I'm not knowing how Wakita. I remember they accused of being a 100-man leader. So I'm not knowing how Wakita. I remember.
Yesterday. Oh boy, a single. I was no, we are single lady. Oh, you didn't yesterday. Emma, 1,000 teeth. What you wear? Oh, conquer to the change it. One them dono before me to an ebido. Hero worshiper before nebido. On our brother video, please can you repeat that voice note again? Can we to start here from there? We want more explanation. Chinedu, are you there?
Which one?
Okay, me to sell us na Hana Mazen Namdekana bank at every day. According to him, I know
you that way, two man. Look at them, how also.
And they also that
maybe Nigeria can get cheap with this kind of crap. You better do man. Can you show? This a crap. How they can hear Simon name or they are not with Hennessy? Like something only 25 pounds now off license shop. You know, I don't get it. These are just so. I'm I'm dead. Look at it. I just stop laughing, bro. This guy Mbaramuku.
Imagine treasure system to come for a bar because not tell them treasure, but a travel come gonna platform able 100 bingo sujiro, you know, be able to put some kind of stuff. System, I don't know if you take
what that Joya will finish go her cleaning first. Able not bear sister, you know, can't have picture and or corner form.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna accept. Not sister Kobuna. He's a sister of hers.
I'm basically cleaning job there first before now on new system.
Okay. I'm gonna check on Kaka second job on MSG for the day. So,
engineer sister metal.
Sister metal, because we're at Jim Charage, I come to here. Sister metal, are you there? Sister Metin, I want to challenge you. I challenge you to make your no. According to what you said, it's not clean or plain, right? It's not plain, can they clean? I want you to present your base list. Okay, Adaga. Okay. That's because Sister Metu, I would imagine to regiment. Magina and okay, so I want to ask you. So before he criticized against Simon Ekpa, right? If I'm not mistaken. So all of a sudden, you better not defend the DOS, you know, now call Simon Ekpa on a whole lot of stuff. Right now, the same thing Simon Ekpa mega, with the same thing Ekpa's rename. So what changed? That's me matter. Get out of my line! You mad? Fuck you, okay? Abu nega zaji jo wo hina ngumbre buru ihe tinye na ntị gị nke na ntị ma mgbe gwọtara gị oh taw
awe nega Ekpa sia ndo nga banya ka ndo ya tie na ajunu Get out of my line! You mad? You know, you don't come to my line and talk bullshit. Get out of my line. You're going now, and shame on all of you. You know me, moon.
Come back.
Very good opportunity. I want to do this.
Everybody needs to. Everybody needs to. We need help.
Sister, me go on a platform.
A lot of people that die.
These days, I don't like it.
Iwe na-ewe m ebe ọ nọ those about US. You know, in here, everyone all to start to destroy. He is hearing me. He knows me.
He is here.
Very well. So, more even a woman born on you know, I know the more.
Oh, she got my you. Oh my God, why not?
I can call him up from here. He can call me. And they post to the end, many some post at times, but only him, Mother get my data. In short, I may head into the battle here, or just to ask him some questions.
All right, so you heard them there. These are DOS members and DOS Nigerian. Of course, those who said Abazon Kanu is no longer in charge. They don't want to take anything from him. Since they won after the rendition, they have never ever accept any order, any instruction from him. They are just gathered here to, insult Methuselah for kicking against DOS and their, criminal act. One thing they need to understand is that, like I always tell you, if you see truth, say it. Don't support any evil. In as much as Methuselah and their group, of course, kicked, attacked Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister, some time ago, they seem to have a different view now. But DOS members and their groups are still, fighting, and they are kicking against them, against anybody that is in support of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and PM Simon Ekpa. There's something I want you to understand here. In as much as they try to crack themselves off and making mockery of themselves, we need to establish something here. You heard them, one of them saying that PM always dance with wine, Hennessy, that they're selling to something dollar or to something euro where they reside. They're not happy with that. I see jealousy, envy in that guy. For you to still have in mind, or for you to feel bad that PM, holding glass of wine while dancing on a live broadcast shouldn't bother you if truly you are not jealous of him. That franchise that is there, changed the costume, his studio. He invested more, in buying chairs and some, African traditional wares and all that, believing that is the reason why people will pay attention to PM Simon Ekpa then. He even went as far as changing, getting himself some traditional Igbo attire, and of course our, chieftaincy, crown or anything like, Igbo costume, right? Our traditional costume. They said to invest on that, thinking that will help people to start following them and all that, to no avail. Today, they are still struggling, and that is why I put in the title, PM Simon Ekpa is a winner. Okay? Reason being that we have seen everything, and we naturally understand why they are very, very angry. One of it is this jealousy, envy, and of course, why must it be him that people listen to? Why not me? When they fight and fight that people are not actually paying attention on them, rather they are throwing more support and love to PM, they started to go after him, to shut him down, to shun him, to disgrace him, they started tagging him to every crime around. And personally, that's the way I find it so weird that people who know the truth are now pushing this narrative that PM is the one committing crime just because you hate him. One of the reasons why they hate him is what that guy said, that this guy seems like he don't have any problem. We are attacking him, he's dancing. We are attacking him, he's dancing. Not just dancing with a glass of wine. It's an issue to them. But if you know what you are here for, that shouldn't bother you. It doesn't matter. But it matters to them. Because the lifestyle they are seeing there is actually what they want to, the way they want to live. They want to be seen dancing with glass of wine, but in a way. So they are not blaming PM for that. Today, They are attacking Methuselah. The other lady said, how can you criticize PM all this while now you are doing what PM actually, what PM Sabanapa was doing? I thought you said PM was spying people. So is Methuselah also spying people now? In their job. No matter how we want to put it, these people have their own agenda, and the agenda is to destroy, to lie, and to cover up evil. Just it doesn't matter your group, but just like what is happening now in Mama Dabo's group of Ndopos and Mozo, that will happen to all the fake group. The difference between Imam Dabo and Oge Grenan is time. It will still burst out. It can't last forever. It cannot even last, let alone lasting forever. Why? Because it is built with fake and lie, deception and fake. You know what I mean? They don't have anything truthfulness in them. They're out to destroy. They're out to lie. Nothing more, nothing less. And how can you buy to that kind of thing? How can you, believe in that kind of thing? You should be saying enough is actually enough. But how many of them can do that? How many of them can say enough is enough? Only those with conscience, those who understand that truly what they need is freedom. And they have to support the genuine platform that are giving freedom. All of them know that USB declaration is the way to go. That is why Obi-Wan said that PM was running, PM, was too fast about it. That what he's doing is what Master kind of prepare to do at end of everything. But the question is, when is this end coming? When? The man have done series of awareness after awareness. You don't just agitate for forever. You need to have a time frame to have a target and go to achieve. It's also time I will achieve this. That's what PM did, and they don't like it. They actually don't like it. Why is it that they don't like it? Because they believe that agitation should be a thing of lifetime. They want to become patron in different movement. They want to become, the voice. That whenever you want to say anything, they will call inner caucus, and elders, that kind of thing. Patron. But PM don't want that. PM said 5 years. And when if you calculate what the time he started and when he was arrested, you can understand that time he was working in line with the time. But we are here, hearing them, listening to them now, making comment that doesn't add up. And it is questionable, highly, highly questionable. Everything about them is fake. And they are not even, they are no longer shying away. They are very proud of this, they are fake. They are very proud of this, they are lies. My question is, how long is it going to last? When are they going to step up and say, okay, enough is enough, let's do this? They won't. Because it's all about, let me protect my own Kaba. My Kaba will protect me. We don't need to do this, we don't need to do that. Lying after lying. Anyway, Methuselah, he's the one that actually shared this clip. Maybe he understands what they are doing there. Maybe he understands that this is their own way of making people feel discouraged from voicing out or talking because they are calling him names. Some people may say it's well deserved that Methuselah himself used to call people names. That's why I cannot go after that, because I cannot condemn it, because it is also part of what we are talking about. Freedom of speech, freedom of worship, freedom of religion and everything. But don't use that. Do not abuse that your freedom to the detriment of another person's freedom. Anyway, I will end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. In case if you're new, don't forget to like it. Let us know what you think about all we've discussed so far. Do you agree or disagree? Because some may say they disagree though. But please tell us, why do you disagree? That these people are a bunch of liars, criminals, and never do what you don't need to rely on them. DOS, no. all of that. When I say all of them, I'm talking about the other group because they have split into so many different groups now. Just like Briggy or Autopilots have done split in different groups, that we are now hearing that even Imam Dabo has also split. Not only hearing, there's a video evidence, message video evidence to that. Okay, where they actually installed themselves and all that. So if Imam Ogekere is celebrating that, very, very happy. But like I said, you can never say never. Anything is possible. All right. Thank you so much. And make sure you like the video. God bless you. Take care of yourself. See you again. Bye-bye for now.